Hi guys, welcome back to Jazmins World. Today I will be showing you how to make an easy and simple delicious pizza. Now let's get to it. So here we are with our 5 ingredients. 1 cup of warm water, 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. We have 2 new guests and their name is Vane and Jazmins. Hi! Me too. So there's 3 people making the pizza. Careful. Some Jasmine. You drop some? Alright, wait. Where all the oil? Ta-da. Now the sugar. Now we mix it for 2 minutes on low, and after 2 minutes we add a little bit of salt. All the sugar gonna get added. Once you're done, you add a little bit of salt. Now we have to put in the highest speed for 5 minutes. About 3 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. Now we need to roll the dough to a ball. We got the dough ball out, and now we're going to roll it into a real ball. Now we have a perfect ball. Now we're going to spray this glass bowl with vegetable oil. Now we're going to spray some of this oil that we used earlier on top of our dough and then wrap it up. Okay. Now that the dough is all ready, we're going to let it sit for 1 hour to let it rise. Let's go. Guys, open the door. But where's Blueberry? Blueberry's not ready. Here. Now we have to wait for an hour. The dough is all ready, but before we do anything, we have to preheat the oven to 450 for 15 minutes. Now we have to grease up our pan with oil, and then once that's finished, we can spread out our pizza dough. Off the wrapper. Oh God. Now it's time to spread out the pizza. Now we're gonna all do it. And make sure it wobbles. Go! We're almost done. Make sure it's all around, not just like in the middle. Because we're going to add some cheese. Now I have to put holes on the pizza so there won't be bubbles while it's baking. We are going to be making a stuffed crust pizza with mozzarella sticks.
So
Just try it. I want to try.
Sorry, man.
Oh, you leave some dough on the side. Now we're going to be adding the toppings. And make sure you get all the edges with sauce. One right there. Our oven has been preheated for 15 minutes at 450 degrees. The pizza is ready to be baked! My mom is going to help me put the pizza in the oven, and then we're going to let it bake for 15 minutes. It's been 7.5 minutes. Now my mommy is going to spin the pizza around. So we're going to melt some butter so it can make our crust shine bright like a diamond. So you have to get 2 scoops of butter and you melt it for 1 minute. Now my mom is going to get the pizza out of the oven. Super delicious. Now I'm going to put some melted butter on the crust. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You and I say we just had to see. So good. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Yes. Oh my. Not to reveal. Thumbs down or thumbs up? Thumbs up for me. Thumbs up for me. 2 thumbs up for all of us. Up high. So that's how you make a stuffed crust pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Smash! 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 I hope you guys enjoyed this video.